Hello everyone, Abdullah Sawal Haiz speaking. Today I'm going to talk about one of the problematic issues that you face in Windows 10. Start menu doesn't work. If you click any start menu multiple times, you cannot open it. As you can see, this is a wild and common issue in the Windows 10, and many people complains that they cannot using the start menu during the work. Today I want to teach you a method how to solve this problem. In fact, this method is kind of advanced, but I will do as much as I can to simplify these steps with you. So, because I want to use an advanced tool from Microsoft to analysis and to know what exactly causing this problem, why start menu doesn't work. If you would like to know more about this tool, I'm going to use it in this video, so you can ask me in the comments about it, so I can provide more information about it. So let's start our investigation. As you can see here, this is a Windows 10, and I'm trying to click on Start menu, but as you can see, nothing appear in the Start menu. What I will do, this is a tool from Microsoft. It's called the Process Monitor. I will put the URL in the video below, so you can access this document, and you can click on download the Process Monitor, so it will be downloaded for you, and you can read this information about this tool anytime you want. I already downloaded this tool and store it in the desktop. So let me start with the tool. Is called Brockmon 64-bit, since this is a Windows server, sorry, Windows 10 64-bit. So I will right click on the tool, run as administrator, and agree. And you can see the tool will start collecting the logs directly. So what I want to do is to stop the capturing of the logs. As you can see, it's stopped right now. It was 60%. And I want to clear these logs because I don't want these logs. I just want the logs that related to the start menu. And here you can see this is auto scroll, so you can see the latest events in the window. I will enable it, and again I will click on the capture again and reproduce the issue by clicking on start menu. You can click on start menu multiple times just to make sure that you collect as much as you can from the problematic issue. And again, I will click on capture, so it will stop capturing. Now, the second step, I want to filter all of these logs because the logs is very huge. So I want only the start menu logs to appear in this window. As you can see here, I have a filter, and I can click on filter, and under the architect I will click on it, and I want to search on the process name. The process name is, you don't know what is the start menu process name, but you can click on the drop down menu so you can find the process that you need. And as you can see, start menu experience host.exe, so I will click on it. This is the process related to the start menu. It's a familiar name, by the way, so you can decide which one. And I will click apply, add, and then click apply, and okay. So you can see here we have multiple tabs in this window. The time, the process name that we need, the PID, this is the process ID, operation, if it's registry or folder or whatever. And you can see here we have the path okay, and the result. You can see we have multiple results: success, access denied, success, whatever. In fact, success, it's mean that the process is working fine, but I want to have a non-success result. So again, I want to go to the filter. So I can go to the result, and I want to make it is not success. So it will showing only the unsuccess processes. Click OK. You can see here this is some of the paths. It says that name is not found, whatever. But name is not found, buffering tool. This is not what I'm looking for, because I'm trying to click on the start menu, so it doesn't work. So there is something prevent me to continue. So what I want to look for is access denied. So I will again filter, and in the process name, or I can click, for example, adding another filter. So I will result, and the result is, I will type it, access denied, and access, it's wrong. Make sure that you spelling it correctly. Sorry, type it correctly. So access denied, and I will click apply and OK. And again, because I didn't remove the filter for is not success, so I will just unselect the result and click apply, so that only it will showing the access denied. And as you can see, we have a multiple access denied. It says that this path, there's something inside, and providing us that there is a missing permission in this registry keys. As you can see, this is local machine software, Microsoft OLE, and also Microsoft Windows DWM, OLE, XML. So we can see the common path is the first three digits: local machine, software, and Microsoft. All of the access denied is coming from this path. If we double click on one of them, anyone, you can choose anyone. Let's see the latest one. So you can see we have an access denied in this, and you can see the desired access is read. At least it's need a read access. The process, this is the process. You can check on this, and we can maximize this one. You can see the process. By the way, I logged with administrator, and you can see I have access denied. So what is access denied is coming, or what is the problem here? Okay, you can see this is the latest error message. It's coming that there is an access denied here. Okay, and in the stack you can see this is the stack that that contains information about the process. So let me back again to this path and see what is here the problem. Why access denied? And as I said, it's at least it's required read. So we can right click on start menu and click on run and open regedit and navigate to the path that's causing the problem. It's local machine and software and then Microsoft. all of the, as I said, all the other keys is under the Microsoft. So we have to solve the parent path. So I can right click and click on permissions. And we can see here account, this read, creator owners is read, system full, administrator also full control, and user has the read. So what is the missing here? In fact, you can compare it with a working machine, and I already have another working machine. So I will just showing you what is the correct permission from a working machine. So this is a local machine that I have, I mean another machine, and I go to local machine and go to software, then Microsoft, and if I click on right click and go to the permissions and do a comparison between these and these, okay, you can see here we have administrators, we have users, we have whatever, but as you can see we have different thing. It's all application packages. You can see all application packages, it has a read permission. So let me add all application packages and give it a read in my problematic machine. So I will add, and you can go to advanced, find, and you can find all application packages. Click OK, click OK, and click read permission, apply, OK, and close it. I can minimize this one, and let me try if start menu is working or not. Still okay. Right now the permission is reflected in the registry key, and now my start menu is working fine. If you would like to test if this is the proper solution, you can back to the registry. Okay, I can from here right now type and go to the registry keys, and I can the same thing, right click and permissions, and I can go to all applications. I can remove the read and click apply, click OK, wait a couple of seconds just to make sure the permission reflected, and you can see the start menu isn't working. So let me again revert it back, permission as normal. Same thing, I want to go to advanced, then find, then I can click on all application packages, okay, and I will provide read, apply, and okay. I can click on this, and also again you can see the start menu is working fine. I hope this will help you to solving your problems without re-imaging your windows or trying advanced or a different methods to troubleshooting your start menu. If you would like to know more about the Brockmon, this is not the only using of Brockmon. We use Brockmon in multiple things. So if you would like to know more about this tool, this is a useful tool, a powerful tool. Please, you can type in comments. And if you would like, I can make a video especially for it. I hope this video helping you to solve your problem in start menu in Windows 10. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like it. And Thanks for watching.